Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine at home. Okay, so I'm back for you. Okay, it's a online session. There is a chapter number 15 and it's for the standard 4 English medium section. Subject is SS and there is a chapter number 15 public services. Okay, we already learned in previous chapter there is fundamental duties, fundamental rights there. Okay, and we have, okay, India is our country and there is a lots of rules and regulations. Okay, we follow seriously that, and there is a lots of fundamental rights there. The fundamental the welfare function. Okay, we can say it's one type of public services. Okay, many way to there is a public services. Okay, so there is a means the government of our country. Okay, government of our country is an agency through which all the needs of the people. Okay, we people are fundamentals expressed and enforced them. Okay, the primary duty of the government. The primary duty of the government is to maintain the law and order. Okay, maintain the law and order in the country and to allow people to enjoy the fundamental rights and to safeguard the country from the external aggression. Then apart from this, the government has the number of welfare functions there. Okay, so they are the totally, we can say, the broadly defined. Now it is the public services. Okay, we have lots of public services. Okay, so our government of India and government of there is a different types of rules followed by them. Okay, government means if there is a state government, if there is a central government, so there is a duty of them. Okay, they differ from to others. Okay, it's the differ from to state also. So now it's one type of public service. Okay, public services. There is a lots of public services. Just like first is the making provision for education and the setting up the schools and the colleges. Okay, the first is the making education and the setting up the school and colleges. The duty of them. Okay, government of state level, government of the central level. The duty of them first to give education. Okay, give education to the students of their countries, and they set up the colleges, they set up the schools for the students. Okay, and give them a better education. Okay, it's a duty of the public services. Then the next topic is the improving health and sanitation. Okay, the duty of in the public services, there is a second duty is to give a health. Okay, better health for their better health means they give a facility. Okay, they set up the hospitals. Okay, the government hospital, the central hospitals also there, and improving health and sanitation facility. Okay, sanitation facility. Okay, means if there is a disease increasing in our body, then the first step to give them a sanitize them. Okay, sanitize means the give a idea to how to clean the area of them, how to clean the they give a facility. Okay, so because of them they improving the health and the sanitizer facility. Okay, so it's a second rules of the public services. Then because of them they give a better health. Okay, so the maintenance of the hospitals and the checking spreads of infections, disease, and controlling the epidemic undertaking a vaccination program. Okay, so it's the rules of them. Okay, it's the depend on them. Okay, if there is a state level, service, and if there is a central level service. Okay, they maintain the hospitals. Okay, they give a facility to hospitals to become a very technical. Nowadays it's a very technical machinery. Okay, technical instrument they used. Okay, they provide to hospital, they provide to them, they checking the spread of infection of disease, they check this how to spread this disease and how to control. Okay, it's a duty of them, and controlling this disease. If there is some disease increasing, they controlling them, and they give epidemic. Okay, undertaking a vaccination. Okay, vaccination is also one of the part of them to give a good health. Okay, because of the vaccination, some disease, okay, do not increase, and do not spread everywhere. So it's a very good idea to vaccination program. Okay, so lots of services the public means the government of our country give us. Then the helping the agriculture. Okay, agriculture also the main part of them. Okay, because of food we cannot live. Okay, so the agriculture, the trade, the industries to grow. Okay, because how to increase agriculture, how to farmer doing their better farming. So, and because of them they use the new technology in agriculture also, and the trade and the industry means they increase industries, how to develop them, how to develop the trade, how to because of if there is a industries develop, that our nation become also developed. So because of them they provides many facility. Okay, they give many facility, just like money facility also, they give machinery also, they inform about the new technology also. Because of them we are developing our agriculture, we are developing our trade, we are developing our industries also. Because of them the scientific they used through the scientific line also. Okay, and the first facility also, they give good food, they give good water, means the pure water, they give good facility just like a hospital facility. Okay, health also very important, and they give us education. Okay, because of it's a point of them we are develop our life, we develop our country. Okay, so it's a very important thing. Okay, then ensuring this improving the means of transport also. Okay, we become nowadays we are doing a transport by road, by airway, by railway, by waterway also. Okay, so because of them this transporting, how to increase this transport, because if there is an industry develop, then it's a way to how to develop the transport. So because of them we give a good things. Okay, so important is export also, important things to do transport. Okay, then making some social services. Okay, the social services, they provide some facilities also, and the maintains the public utility works for the board offices. Okay, cinemas, gardens. Okay, it's a very important nowadays. Okay, nowadays it's a maintenance of the public, just like a railway. Okay, just like a railway station, bus station. Okay, they give facility just like a post office. Okay, it's a duty of the it's a one of the duty of the public services. service given by the government. Okay. Okay, then these services are the some are the state level and some are the central level also. Okay, and apart from this government department, there is some private organization also, which is the given a big role to our country's development. Okay, for example, just like they give means cleaning and collection the taxes. Okay, the collection that means they give a private organization. They take out this work from the government. Okay, and means just like cleaning the roads and collection of garbages. Okay, and some private companies in some of cities of India. Okay, they are some major private organization and rendering services in the telecom industries also. Okay, there the state and the district level, the public services lie in the hands of municipality. Okay, municipal corporation and municipalities also. Okay, now we are going on municipal corporation, and municipal corporation it is most of the set up in the big cities. Okay, big cities, just very big cities. There is a population of the more than 10 lakh. Okay, whereas the municipalities, municipal corporation which is in a big city, and the municipalities are set up in a small town, just like the cities with a population of the more than 20,000. Okay, so municipal corporation and the municipalities both work from our nation's development. Okay, the main function of this municipalities of their some basic rules. Okay, just like supply to pure drinking water. Okay, it's a duty of them. Okay, supply to water each and every villages, each and every towns there. Okay, and contribution the maintenance of the water works also, and the removal and the disposal the waste and the garbage. Okay, it's a duty of them. Okay, and they maintenance the cleaning the public drains and toilets. Okay, and they establish the maintenance of the hospitals, schools, and there is a registration of the birth and death. Means it's the rules. Okay, it's the rules of them. Okay, which is they give a service. Okay, it's a one type of public service which is given by the municipalities, which is given by the municipal corporation, and other function just the plantation of the trees and maintains the public parks, gardens, and provide the transport. Okay, and give a very good road. Okay, because of the transport they become a roads there. So because it's a duty. Okay, it's a duty of them. They give us drinking water, some basic facilities, just like drinking water, maintenance water works, the disposable of the waste of garbage, maintaining cleaning of the public and the drain and the toilets, the maintenance hospitals and the schools. Okay, means and the registration of the birth and the death also, and then implementing the various taxes laid by the government. Okay, so it's rules them. They give us a facility just like parks, gardens. Okay, provide transport roads. Okay, so there is a duty of them. Okay, municipal corporation, and in the functions of the municipal corporation differ from the state to state. It's a differ. Okay, it's a differ from state to state and differ from central. So, however, it's the structure of the function is similar for the level of their level of them. Okay. Then we are on the next topic of this chapter. Okay, the public services, chapter number 15, the taxes. Okay, the tax, the one type of tax is the financial charge. Okay, which is paid by an individual or institutions or to the government. Okay, it's a financial charge. Okay, the government uses this tax for in various projects, means the various development of our countries. Okay, just like it's the tax paid by just the important part of the and revenue of our government. Okay, so different types of taxes in types of taxes. Okay, the first is income tax. Okay, income tax is the tax level to the income of the person or an organization, and people earning above the certain amount. Okay, certain amount are required to the pay income tax as a income tax. Okay, then the second is the property tax. Okay, if you buy new houses, if you buy a new land, like a land property. Okay, if there is a home property, so it's paid by the owner of this property. Okay, so it's a one type of tax. Then a water tax. Okay, if daily water. Okay, there is a daily water services at a home of your. Okay, so it's because of them you paid drinking water tax. Okay, then a road tax. Road tax also essential. Okay, is that there is a you can vehicle owner want this, vehicle owner paid this. Okay, this is one type of tax. Then there is a entertainment tax. Okay, entertainment means it's collected by some cinemas, some museum, some park owner. Okay, we paid taxes from this facility. Okay, then toll tax which is the collected certain of road, just like if you cross a bridge, if you cross a state border, if you cross means because of them you can you paid for this. Okay, and because of this government give, because of the government, this amount government of the revenue goes to development for the development of our country, and this tax is just collected and they used just like in health, for our health, for our education, for supplies, means the many development. Okay, and taxes are the major source of income. Okay, income for our nation. Okay, because of because of these taxes they develop our countries. Okay, they used in many projects also. So because of them we give them tax and they develop our country. They give us a facility. Okay, many facility. Okay, water, education, road, transport, industrial facility, education, health, this many facility. It's a duty of government. Okay, to give us a means the best facility. Okay, it's a duty of some municipalities also, some municipal corporation also, the state level duty also, the central level duty also. Okay, so different state level, the different facility they give. So it's a chain bag. Now the chapter number 15, public services. Okay, so it's a public services which is the given by our government. Okay, so now, okay, the many facility they give us. Okay, because of them our develop our lifestyle, our nations. Okay, so these taxes are the major source of our countries, and they use to develop of our country. Okay, now this chapter, okay, the chapter number 15, public services, is over. Okay, thank you.